with Foxconn, which of course has found a new postcode, Sector 28, Yamuna Authority Area. 48 acres of land that until very recently was not a place anyone associated with chip fabrication. Yes, you heard that right. Uttar Pradesh has just announced its first semiconductor park. 4,000 crore rupees is on the table. Foxconn's name is on the door. And a title the state has been auditioning for, the deep tech capital of India. Not in a supporting role, but actually as the main lead. And here is where it gets quite intriguing. CM Yogi Adityanath calls this, well, the foundation of the future. Atmanirbhar Bharat, trillion-dollar economy. The language is definitely ambitious, as it should be, because the gap between the speech and the semiconductor is, well, not really a small one. Chips, honestly, don't really care about announcements. They are actually concerned about 24/7 uninterrupted power. Yes, let's talk about brass tacks. Ultra pure water, clean rooms, so controlled that even a speck of dust is actually an engineering crisis. The government has promised global standards, time-bound execution, and in this industry, a missed deadline, well, it's not so much a setback, it's actually a write-off. Now, of course, for that one particular part, they want us to quite happily absorb, which is 3,000 jobs, direct and indirect. Not the kinds where one is just scanning barcodes in a warehouse. These are, I'm talking about, high skill, high tech, the kind that used to require, well, a ticket to Bengaluru or Hyderabad. The state is promising skill development and closing the gap between engineering graduates and people who can actually build things. So if that divide closes, and that too genuinely, this, I believe, ladies and gentlemen, is quite a serious story. If it doesn't, well, it's a very well attended press conference. And here's, of course, for the part, nobody is actually speaking out aloud and putting into the headline. UP is not entering a friendly market. We know this. Why? Because it's walking onto a field where Taiwan, China, and the United States have been playing for quite some time. 48 acres is not so much a position of strength, it's more like, well, an opening move. The pressure on power, security, and delivery is quite real, and the government is very cognizant of it. If Foxconn works, everything that follows gets easier by the day. If it stutters, the credibility cost is steep and the line forms quickly. Here, of course, is the front page take. The Yamuna corridor stopped being just about the airport a while ago, as we all know this. Now, it's more about whether the things inside your next phone get made here, manufactured here. The money, of course, is committed. The land is allocated. What remains is, and it is not a small thing, by the way, is the execution. The chips are down. That one, well, was too easy not to say. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.